be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S25 in navy. First packaging off, and second one in a box. Don't get information, that's not good.
My gosh.
They make it so you can't get in it.
It's fragile.
Fragile. Don't you remember Fragile from A Christmas Story?
No.
You don't?
You don't have information there.
What do you mean?
You don't have number and your name.
What kind of number? That's because this is just a packaging box. Because there's two things in here. I just need to figure out how to open it because...
You should cut this.
No, that's, you see? That has nothing to do with anything. But it goes over here on the side.
What's inside of it? Looks like the house of termites. House of termites.
So what we got here,
Wow.
and I think we might be missing
That's a
something.
honey.
I think we're missing something. Oh no, both here. Okay. So what we got here is a leatherette case for it.
That's a case?
Mm-hmm. Look
Oh,
at
that's
that
the
in a
phone
bit.
is here.
And then this is our phone. So what we do here is we get a little pull over here and another little pull over here. And then we open it up.
Oh, that looks good.
And then here is just some basic information booklets and a USB-C to USB-C charging cord and your SIM ejection tool. And then you have some documentation, and then you have your
Charger.
USB-C to USB-C. And then here is our phone.
Beautiful. That's cute. That's cute. I like it. Look at that. This is what?
This is a Galaxy S25.
S25.
And then the pièce de résistance.
Ta-da!
Boom.
It's amazing.
I'll boot this puppy up. Maybe.
Is it charged or not?
Find out. I would say that's deader than a doornail.
They should charge it before.
Oh, there it goes.
That's good. Samsung Galaxy. Oh, that's really bright color.
2,600 nits it goes up to.
See. Wow, fantastic. Welcome.
And there we're going to stop there because I have to put the SIM card in and then I have to move on. Look at that pretty color.
Yep.
And then I'll also show you this. So this is Samsung's leatherette case. Last year they made, or 2 years ago, they made leather. Now it's leatherette. So they're getting cheaper on us. And 2 years ago they gave you the cases for free. This year they only gave you a discount. Just a
That's the
nice,
case.
nice little leatherette case. Has
Yeah.
a felt inside.
Wow, I like it. It's smooth.
Yep, so it doesn't scratch.
Uh-huh.
And then you have some metal protection around your cameras. And a little Samsung logo there.
Nice. You happy?
Yeah. I like the size. I'm trying to downsize my phone to make it smaller. But
Okay. That's really good. Congratulations.
that's what the phone looks like in the case.
Yeah. Okay.
Touch it. Feel it because it feels how small it is.
It's so light. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, it's so light. This is, oh my gosh. And you can put it in the pocket for.
Yeah, it won't stick out of your pocket. That's why I got a phone. I didn't need a phone, but I wanted a smaller phone.
Yeah, that's nice. At least that's what you're always dreaming about.
Dreaming of a smaller phone. Nice cutouts.
Yep.
For everything. There's your microphone cutouts. There's your USB-C cutout. Buttons. Nice and tactile. Very nice. Samsung usually, you have no worries about the fitting of the case. The case is fairly tight. There's very little give. It's a nice leatherette feel. Feels good in the hand.
Yeah. Okay, that's all for the unboxing.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
Thanks everyone.